All right, these are my trading notes from the 30th of November, 2023. And these are for my personal use. I'm posting them if anybody else gets anything out of it. That's great. And what we'll do is start off of pre-market, what I did this morning. So the first, and I traded this is a um, micro. I was trading micros up to about 4 contracts and at any given time. And it's an evaluation account, just so you know that. And it's with Apex Traders. It's a prop firm. I will leave a link below if you want to check them out. And it's an affiliate link. They have some pretty good deals for funding. If you don't have the cash to be doing your own thing, trade with theirs. If you prove you can trade, they will fund you. So anyway, let's get started. Here is, I always wait on the pre-market. I wait till after 5 o'clock in the morning. And if you look down here, you'll see what time it is. So we had a breakthrough. Here's a 1, 2, 3 reversal or double bottom. You got 1, 2, 3, broke that high at 5:30. I didn't get in on it right then. I waited for it to pop up, get a little bull flag pullback. I got in above this high right here at 69. Let's see, I got in at 69.75, and I got out at 72, and made a little bit of profit. Took a few contracts on that. News was coming out at 8:30, and as you notice, it did move around a little bit. So I waited until after the news came out, and let's get back over here where that was. So it was still bullish. And if you notice this, everything was still looking bullish. So I waited for a little bull flag pullback here. It was I was taking a lot of risk, really. I should have waited here, but there wasn't a lot of profit potential. But I did buy it above this high right here. I think I got in at 74.75, somewhere in there. And I took some heat right here, 72, but I had my stop down below the low, and I got out around 77. It just, the way it was looking, it just wasn't looking like it was going to keep going strong. So I took my profit and got out and waited for the opening. This is the opening right here. And if you notice, everything was going bearish. And this was a good little channel to get short in. I did not do it. I'm just letting you know, this is the DMI. This is the MACD. Everything was very strong on a bear move. And oh, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I was wrong on this. I had to go back and check. I I thought I'd get in here, but that was earlier this morning, and I did take a loss on this. So I originally, like I said, this is for my notes. I when it went above the trend line, I bought it, and then I had my stop right here. It got stopped out pretty quick. I pulled it below this low. I think I was down like a 1.5, and so then on 2 contracts. But then when it broke high and went up again, I got in up in here and rode it up into here and got my loss back. That's what it was. So, and I got long. Okay, I got long here, and it went up in the 72 area, and that's when I got out again, and then I got in again right here. Got out here, and then here was after the news that came out. This is a little bull flag. I got in and rode that up to here. Started getting out. I guess I got out at 77, 78 and a quarter on one of them. That was pretty much the high. 78 and a half is the high. So I was started before the market opened. I was already at a profit, and this would have been a good one on the breakdown. But I like the 15-minute chart a lot. And I wanted to make sure that everything was definitely bullish or bearish at that point. And here's the VWAP. Everything is pointing down. Then you just got to look for a pullback up in the 20 area. You know, according to Oliver Velez, I don't know if you ever watch him. I like some of his videos. He's been doing this a long time, and you learn a lot from him. So this is the 200 moving average. This is the 20. That's the 34 or the 50. I can't remember. Anyway, it's everything's lining up to the downside. and yellow one is a 9 period moving average. So I sold short below right here. Hold on just a second. Okay, my dog started barking. So I got in when it broke this low right here, and I got out. I think it was at 61 and a half, and I got out at 55.75. That was, I just did one contract then on that one, and then okay, here I knew I got in again because the others I was in a few contracts back over here. So anyway, uh, I had to go do some errands. I missed these, and right here would have been a good one. But I saw this go up and hit the, I believe that's the 50. Anyway, once it did, I sold short below that low. I was watching Bookmap also, and it looked like it was very bearish at the time. So I just wrote it down and got out. I think I took one off here and then the other one off at 50.50. So I got in at 53 and a half, got out at 51 and 50.50. So I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm okay with the profits I got, and so that was my trading day in a nutshell. I appreciate you watching, but like I said, these are my trading notes. I really count on the 15-minute chart a lot to see what the major the direction is. If it has a direction, sometimes it doesn't. Here you'll notice yesterday's trading right here. Boom, these were great bull flags. And that's a 15-minute chart, and it's showing a bull flag like that. That's pretty screaming hot there. So I'll be back after the next probably after tomorrow trading day, or for tomorrow's trading day. So hope you had a good trading day yourself, and good trading. Take care.